Thank you so much, Rob. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ryan Norris, the operations coordinator and narrator for Team Oracle, featuring the man considered by many to be the top solo aerobatic performer in North America today. Returning for his 16th appearance over the skies of Rhode Island, coming all the way from Salinas, California, in that very small just a bit of which we call the Airshow. Ladies and
Why this is going on?
A demonstration of the most hardcore, down and dirty, hard-charging, power aerobatics known to man, which come as a result of Sean Fuller. It's a one-of-a-kind aircraft built specifically for Sean, and right now you're going to see just what it's capable of. Sean gets back to those Challenger 3. The high negative G recovery brings Sean to within 10 feet of the runway, upside down. This is an inside-outside loop with a double at the top. Inside, or what we call positive speed. However, the outside time to throw Sean out of the cockpit at the bottom end of that last maneuver. Starting out at show 7, Sean is going to set up to show you one of his many original maneuvers. One for the roll, down the shoulder roll, perfectly vertical with the nose, 0 forward airspeed, and right now, hard, full left rudder. Sean will complete not one, but 2 consecutive hammerhead turnarounds. As I mentioned, this aircraft was designed and built specifically for Sean. It is the only one of its kind in the world today. It took our team approximately 16 months to design and then construct. This aircraft weighs in at only 1,225 pounds, and it is powered by without question the most high-performance aerobatic biplane in the world today. And as you can imagine, this style of flying is very athletic and very hard on the body. Right now, Sean's performing the perfectly level throughout the course of one performance, Sean will experience in excess of 10 1/2 positive G and over 7. So right now, Sean is going to take a short break, fly for some altitude, catch his breath, tighten up his seatbelt, and let those temperatures cool down. The clock is go live in Johnny Tucker, are you with us? Old school thing. horsepower engine to pull himself 1,800 feet into the air. Right now, torque of the engine takes over. 0 forward airspeed. Now Sean begins to fly this aircraft tail first. Negative airspeeds in excess of 90 miles an hour. And only once he passes through critical altitude will Sean pull the throttle back, let the nose fall down, turn the smoke back on. That is Johnny Tucker. I would like to suggest at this time that you get your cameras ready, get on your feet, and get as close to the fence as you can. Direct your attention to the runway in front of you, and you will notice that there are 3 separate lanes. Each set of poles is a ribbon. Those ribbons stand 20 feet above the ground, and they are spaced barely 700 feet apart. What Sean is going to do is come down, take a look at all 3 of those ribbons to make sure that the show line is obstruction free, and then he is going to return to slice all 3 ribbons. So now he starts. Above the ground, 210 miles an hour. Underneath that first ribbon, tumbling this aircraft end over end again. Trying to find sight. He continues around the corner, diving back down to 5 feet, underneath that 3rd ribbon, climbing skyward. Sean is now going to show you the world's smallest inside loop. Alley-oop. And he is now going to make an attempt at slicing all 3 of these ribbons in one single pass in 3 separate flight attitudes. Right knife edge, left knife edge, and finally inverted. That's right, Brian.
Excuse me.
Converting altitude back into airspeed, 18 feet above the ground. Right knife edge, flight through 1. Left knife edge through 2. No one else in the world today. That is John D. Tucker's signature triple ribbon cut. Oracle, hardware, and software engineered to work together. Once again, converting altitude into airspeed, looking for 235 miles an hour. The nose will pick up. Outside puts John into flying knife edge flight, which we call the slider. Keep those cameras at the ready because John is low altitude, low speed photo pass, and once again live to the cockpit. John D, you're on.
I absolutely love my job. I love being in Rhode Island. You guys are the best show in the whole world, and it's the truth. It's giving you folks the fans. So here's my team Oracle Swansea. I got my left wing down. Smoke's coming on. Hey, the guy who right here, give me a wave. Woman in the blue dress, give me a wave! Okay, everybody in Wayland. You know, baby, how about a wave? How about the earmark? And all my friends in the team Oracle's away. Thanks for coming. Give me a wave. Show center. Hey, there's the hammer. Hey, hammer, give me a wave. You get a little kid like your National Guard hat. Give me a wave. You guys are the greatest.
And now as Sean eases that throttle forward, he's going to roll his way around and set up with the final maneuver of this action. This is called demonstrated by the United States Marine Corps AV-8B Harrier. as being one of the 25 living legends in aviation. In 2008, at the birthplace of aviation, Dayton, Ohio, Sean received his highest honor to date, and that is membership in the National Aviation Hall of Fame. As Sean sets up for landing, we'd like to invite you to look us up online at teamoracle.com, and also please pay a visit to Sean's Facebook fan page, and he spells the first name S-E-A-N. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Brian Norris. We always enjoy coming back to Rhode Island. This is our 16th time here, and we got a great number of wonderful friends, family, and we feel like family every time we come to the base. So, Rob, it's always a great time. I'm sure you'll agree with me. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's turn it back over to your MC and my good buddy, Mr. Rob Ryder. Thank you, Brian Norris. Ladies and gentlemen, one more big round of applause for Sean D. Tucker. As we want to make a couple of very important safety announcements right now. That first safety announcement is, and I hate to be sounding like a broken record, no smoking, folks. The airplanes are fueled and ready to go, and some of the aircraft fuel will by design vent or drip onto the ramp as the fuel has expanded in the fuel cell. It's a fire hazard for those of you, for those around you, and for these very expensive aircraft. So please, no smoking or you will be asked to leave. Sean D. Tucker comes down the line, give him a big wave. Again, the show after the show is going to be critically important for you today. Otherwise, you're going to sit in your car being frustrated on the way home sitting in traffic. They were backed up for miles trying to get here. This is a huge crowd, and we only have so many buses to take you to the parking lot, those of you who rode on the buses.